everybody, and in this video I'm going to be doing my last length check for the year. Well, in regards to the Food Herbs Herbal Hair Oil Mix, and this is where I have always been taking it from. The last check I did it late, so I'm not expecting much of a difference with this one, but here goes. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Alright. Wasn't expecting that. And my hair is actually less stretched than the previous two checks. Normally I would do this check on like a week's worth of protective styling, but yeah, my hair go again, so I feel very proud of it. So let's see. Okay, go back. Just put it here. Yeah, so this is the difference, and I'm loving the progress so far with this goat oil. I actually got some pointers from other YouTubers about how I can make like a goat oil more effective, so I'm gonna try that out for sure. And it's just amazing how magical your hair is, because like this is my hair braided, no prior stretching, but then when I take out the braids, like you see the difference. It's like a 50% difference in the hair length. So I'm very pleased with the results so far. I'm gonna try and do a length check at the back. I'm gonna try I remember saying that I had planned to mix this oil with another carrier oil. Let me straighten up myself so I can get an accurate check. Yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can get up in the chair and show you guys where it reaches. So yeah, so this new mark right here, this is where my hair is now. So I'm actually seeing some progress with using the oil, and I am very pleased with like the outcome, with just being so simplistic and all, with just the coconut oil and the herbs. So for 1 month I'm going to take a break from the oil and use some other oil, and then I'm going to come back in January and show you guys a whole new recipe, and I think that one is going to be amazing for my hair growth. I think it's going to stimulate my hair some more. And in regards to what I'm gonna do with the herbs, that's gonna be in another video. I haven't really decided what I'm gonna do yet, just like how I was undecisive about adding another oil, but you really don't need any more oil after you're doing the first infusion. Well, that's what I realized with my hair, because I still have just a little, maybe like 4 ounces left back of the oil, because I wasn't just oiling my scalp with the oil, I was also adding it into mask, doing like pre-poos and so forth. So yeah, this is my hair, and I think like one thing I would say with this result, I think that my hair would have gotten a lot more length had I not been back to work, because the air conditioning does affect my hair whether I have it out or in a protective style. It just dries up my hair, and then some days I get home and I don't want to moisturize. So I would say that is a factor as to why probably my hair didn't go as much, or I didn't expect for it to go, because last night I just did a little bit of trimming. Well, I won't even call it trimming, I will call it more so dusting of the ends, anything that looks straggly on each one of the braids. I've also been not putting a lot of tension on my hair. I've been keeping it as simple as possible. My roots was giving me a lot of issues because it was dry, and then I found out that I realized, let me say, that I was not consuming as much water as I normally would have, and water really does energize the follicles and to take in nutrients and so forth. So everything in this area was dried out, so I had to go through with a seamless comb, get my hair into parts, because if you don't patch your hair, ladies, it does promote or encourage breakage at the roots, because your hair is here and then it's over in another section. So you have to get some clean pads and just comb your hair, get your roots. You have to actually detangle your roots, and I like to do that like once a month. So I found that I had to be detangling my roots a whole lot the past 3 or so weeks, and yeah, so I know now what to look for and what to do to avoid certain things from happening in the next round. So it should be a lot more successful. But yeah, I feel so very, like, I'm actually kind of shocked that it actually grew. I didn't really think that my hair grew or anything, because I had significant breakage, and it's not from the oil, it's from the environment, perhaps maybe mechanical damage in there. But then again, I was only wearing my hair out like maybe once a week, and then I will go into washing the next day or the day after that. So I think it's more so having to do with the environment change from working from home when I started the challenge, and then transitioning into working in the office. So it's nice to be able to evaluate things like that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I don't want it to be any more than less than 10 minutes, so I am going to show you guys what I do with the remainder of the herbs in another video, and until then, stay blessed.